Here's how you can adjust and dial in on the fit for your new ViaTerra Miller jacket to maximize comfort and protection. Before wearing the jacket, we recommend loosening the cinch straps on each of the sleeves, at the wrists, and on both sides of the waist. Checking or adjusting fit is best done seated on a motorcycle or while simulating the riding posture, since all ViaTerra riding gear is designed to be most comfortable while riding. In this position, check that the armors are anatomically in correct positions. Since every person's body is unique, the position of the armor is bound to vary slightly, especially at the elbow. To achieve the best fit, use the cinch straps on the bicep and forearm of each sleeve to bring the armor closer to your body. Use the Velcro closures at the wrist to secure the sleeve and tighten the waist adjusters on each side to achieve a comfortable fit. Do remember that tightening the waist too much will cause the jacket to ride up over the waist and affect the overall fit. When adjusted correctly, the jacket should remain over the waist. Simulate riding positions as per the motorcycle you use to check comfort and dial in your fit. Wearing the jacket for at least 5 to 10 minutes usually also helps you get accustomed to the fit. If you are using the Miller jacket along with ViaTerra's Miller riding pants, remember to also attach the pant connector to maximize comfort and protection.